What's up, everybody? This is Danny Mathematics here with another example to explore. And today, guys, we're going to go over parallel lines and transversals, and we're going to hit example 5. So let's go ahead and get to it. I have two parallel lines. Line M and line N are both parallel, and they both are intersected by a transversal L. Okay? So what we need to do is, guys, we need to find out the value of X so we can find out the value of these two angles. And from there, we can find out the value of all the other angles, right? Because most of these angles are either corresponding angles, vertical angles, or same side interior angles, okay? Now, these two angles right here, guys, are same side interior angles, meaning that if we add these two angles together, they will equal 180 degrees, okay? So with us doing that, guys, we can actually add these two angles together and find out the value of X so we can eventually find out the value of those particular angles, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. Once again, these are same side interior, meaning that they're inside the parallel lines and they're on the same side of the transversal. So that means that they equal 180. So let's go ahead and do that, guys. I'm gonna write it. Same side interior angles. Same side interior. Remember, guys, same side interior. Both of those angles added together will equal 180, right? Which means that X plus 109 added to X plus 89 will equal 180 degrees, okay? So we're about to figure that out, guys. What we need to do, guys, is we need to combine like terms, so I can combine these two x's. So 2x's equal 2x, right? And I can combine 109 with 89. So let me do that. So 109 plus 89, that's 18, that's so that's 198. Yes, 198, okay? Equals 180. Okay, we can continue on, guys. I'm going to subtract 198 on both sides. Okay, 180 minus 198 equals negative 18. So now we're going to have 2x equals negative 18. And then, of course, to find out the value of X, we got to divide both sides by the coefficient of 2. And negative 18 divided by 2 is negative 9. So X has a value of negative 9. X has a value of negative 9, meaning that we can plug in negative 9 as X. So I'm going to do that. So X is negative 9 right there. Okay, and then right here, guys, X is negative 9. I'm just putting negative 9 on top of X so you can see it, guys. Okay, now, negative 9 plus 109 equals 100. Okay, so this whole angle right here is actually 100 degrees. So I'm going to write 100 in green so you can see it. So that angle right there, guys, is 100 degrees. This angle right there is 100 degrees. Meaning that this angle has to be 80 degrees, right? Because remember, 100 plus 80 equals 180. And if I add 89 to negative 9, that does equal 80. So this angle right here is 80 degrees. Okay? So we got these two inside angles. This is 100. This is 80. Now, because we have corresponding and vertical angles, we can literally find out the value of every other angle because it's going to either be 100 or 80, right? This angle is vertical to this angle, so this angle is also 80 degrees. Okay? This angle is corresponding with this angle because they sit in the same exact position, right? So this angle is also 80 degrees. okay? And then this 80 degrees, this angle is vertical to this angle, so that angle is 80 degrees. Okay? Same thing with the 100, guys. All right? This angle is 100 degrees. It's vertical to this angle, so this angle will be 100 degrees. Okay? This angle, 100 degrees, is corresponding with this angle, meaning that they sit in the same position. So that angle is also 100 degrees. And then last angle, this angle is vertical to this angle, so this angle is also 100 degrees. So guys, we solved for the value of x, and from there we were able to solve for two of the angles and get two of the measurements. And from there, guys, we was able to find out the other measurements due to what we know about corresponding angles, vertical angles, alternate exterior angles, and so on, guys. All right? So once again, guys, this is number 5, right? 80 degrees and 100 degrees. And then once again, you remember a straight line has to equal 180. 80 plus 100 equals 180. 100 plus 80 equals 180. 80, 100, 180, 180, 180. That's how you know that we got everything correct. Thank y'all so much, guys, for tuning in.